Hello, thanks so much for stopping by to check out our latest video titled Secret Tactics to Find Pinterest Group Boards. So Pinterest is an awesome way to generate traffic to your blog. It's really awesome for entrepreneurs and business owners. It's a free way to drive visitors to your website and your business. So in this video, we're going to take a look at how to use group boards as a free way to help you up that traffic even more. Okay, so let's take a look. Alright, so here we are in my Pinterest account, and we're going to talk about 3 different ways to locate the best group boards so you can start generating traffic to your blog or website. So first, what are group boards? Let us review. So let me head over to my account and we'll see what's going on here. Okay, this is one of my newest Pinterest accounts, and first we'll talk about group boards. So with a regular personal board, like any of these here, it's a collection of pins, and there's one person as the collaborator, which is me. I'm the admin. This is my account. I created this board, so this is a personal board. With a group board, you have multiple collaborators. So I'll show you one here on my account. This is a group board, and you can see it's a group board distinguished by this circle in the lower left-hand corner with multiple people, which tells you right away it's a group board. And then when you click into the board, you can see all the different collaborators here. So the benefit of a group board is you have a lot more exposure. So with a personal board, you're limited to your pins being seen by the number of followers you have. With a group board, it's a combination of all of the followers for all of the collaborators. And you can see that here. So tons more exposure, and the more exposure the better, because if you think about it, if you have a Pinterest account with a following of 300 followers, you pin with the potential of it being shown to 300 of your followers, compared to a group board with a following of 3,000 followers. So you can see more exposure, you'll have a chance to get more traffic and get more eyeballs on your pins. So that's what we aim for. And group boards have been used for a long time now to help bloggers drive crazy amounts of traffic to their blogs for free. Now, how do you find group boards? We're going to look at 3 different ways. The first way is to go to Pinterest, and you will try to join the boards of a blogging mentor in your niche. So you'll pick a bigger blogger that's doing well and has a large following, and you'll kind of spy on and check out what boards they belong to. So we'll see here that this blog is about save money, make money, work from home. So I'm going to go to my search, and I'm going to look for a big work from home blogger. And this account here, Real Ways to Earn Money Online, they're a huge account. You can see they have over 120,000 followers, 1.2 million monthly viewers. So I'm just going to go over to their boards, and I can check out and see what group boards they belong to. Money, saving money, work from home. So now that I've located these boards on their account, to join them, I'm going to click into the board, and the first thing I'm going to look for is to see if there's a request button here. This is a newer feature of Pinterest. You'll notice that on some group boards, you'll have a request to join button, which makes it super easy to try to join the board. You'll just click that button, and it sends a notification to the admin so you can join that board. If that button is not there, like here, it's not here, you look at the description and see what the instructions are to join. Sometimes they may say for you to email the admin. Sometimes they'll have you fill out a form and a URL. They'll ask you to contact them via Pinterest messages. So you're just going to read through the description and see what the instructions are. And for this one here, there are no clear instructions, which is very common. That's totally fine. What you'll do is you'll contact the admin of the board, and what you can do is you can send them an email, so you can go to their Pinterest account. From there, check out their website URL listed, then visit their site and head to a contact page or an email, or you can just shoot them over a Pinterest message. Really simple. So this is the first way to find group boards. You're going to find a bigger blogger in your niche and check out the boards they are on and try to join those boards. Method number 2, you're going to go to the site pingroupie.com. This is a really awesome free resource that helps you locate group boards and join. You start by going into the search bar and you can type your niche, like work from home. It'll populate a list of work from home group boards, and then you can head back to Pinterest and try to join those boards. So we'll wait for this to load here a moment, and then I will illustrate. So here you can see it has all the information about the group board, including the title, the number of followers and pins and collaborators. And this is the admin here. So what I like to do is I like to take this and put it right over in Pinterest. Okay, here I am on the admin's account, and what I like to do is kind of peruse their entire account. This is the board right here. But if they have a work from home board, they might have some other boards related to it. So I'll actually check out the entire account and see what other group boards they have, what other group boards they belong to. So this is the board, and you can see that request to join button right here. So I'll click that, nice and simple. And then when I'm done, just head back over to PinGroupie, rinse and repeat. And you can name a couple different niches here and just go one by one, checking out all the boards to join. Okay, so that's method number 2, pingroupie.com. Method number 3, which is the last method, we'll head back over to Pinterest. And this is super simple. You're going to type your niche name in the search bar. Okay, so I'll do that here. And all you'll do is add group or group board following your niche. And then you're going to filter out the results just to show the boards. Boom. So now you have the results displaying work from home group board or boards. And so you can go through and go ahead and join as many as you'd like to. And that's all you need to do. Really simple. Super, super simple. Okay, and that's it. Alright guys, well that wraps up this video. To recap, we went over 3 secret tactics to find Pinterest group boards. Tactic number 1 is to find a mentor in your niche, a bigger blogger, and check out the boards they are on and try to apply to those. The second super secret tactic is to use pingroupie.com, and then the third tactic is just to add group or group board to the end of your niche name when you're doing a search in Pinterest, and filter by group by boards so you can see all of the boards. And that's how you find group boards on Pinterest. That's it. I hope you found this video educational and helpful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe so you can get more content like this, and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I upload new videos. Thanks so much for watching. Jen signing off. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.